Behind me is an old volcano, and below me, old volcano tubes. And in front of me, for some reason, a cow. Let's go check it out. Look at the landscape. It's all turned up and wavy. These are all collapsed caves and tunnels that the lava used to run through. So you can see a cave right there. That's where we're going. That's where we're going next. Now you can see the shape of the volcano. See, that's the south side rim. I'm currently on the north side. And when this volcano blew up, it basically broke itself, and all these tubes are from the leftovers after the lava was ran out, whatever. All right, screw this. Let's go underground. Pretty cool. This section of the lava tube is completely collapsed. I think we need to go back there. It's quite the challenge though. Massive boulders. Let's do it. Oh, look at a hole. You know how I feel about holes. We gotta go check it out. All right. You can tell that it's regularly breaking off and falling in. Some of these boulders are huge. This place is wild. Look how big these caverns are. And they go, as far as I know, for miles. Can you imagine how much magma or lava, whatever, had to be flowing through here and how long in order to create holes like this? I wonder how old they are. I wonder how many people have been in here. Over by where I parked, I see a lot more people, or a lot more evidence of people. Out here, I'm not really seeing any. Oh, it's hard to see, but it keeps going. That means we're gonna keep going. I get a little nervous. I'm not gonna lie. It's sketchy. Just boulders falling everywhere. But it goes back there. I can't outrun a falling rock. What do you guys think? We'll go a little bit in there, huh? Just a little bit. Just the tip. Let's check it out. I'm gonna go right in there. Oh, dead ends. There's nowhere to go. Yeah. Let's see how dark it is. Well, it's not too terribly dark. It's dark in there. There's gotta be an easier way. Wow. Look at this place. You see that? You see what I see? if I can adjust my light. There we go. Officially in a hole. In a hole. Oh, this goes deep. Oh my God. I barely have enough room to stand up in here. Believe it or not, it's quite warm. Dead ends right there. There's a little hole. I don't feel like crawling back there. There's two things about this hole. One, it's super dark in here. And two, it's pretty warm, surprisingly. Probably like 30 feet under the surface. It's pretty crazy. I've never been this deep by myself. Let's get moving. A little bit light. It's dark down there. You definitely died down in one of them holes. It's pretty rad though. It's kind of surreal being down in there. I've never really been in a hole like that. Other than the breathable air, the people and the cows walking around, and the vegetation growing, I feel like this is what it'd be like to walk around on a different planet or a different moon. This terrain's actually really hard to walk on. It's not flat whatsoever. There's a lot of rocks. Twisted my ankle like 6 times already. There's sharp rocks, there's dark, deep caves, there's little cliffs you can fall off and get hurt. 9 out of 9 stars. Thank you for joining me on another episode of What the hell am I doing out here?